Okay, Uncle Cow Army, let's go over the man bag. As the times they are changing, the man bag will be very important in the new situation. It'll provide a couple of things, tools, because there I won't necessarily I'll be required to be as self-sufficient as possible, but there'll be help there. Does that make sense? So, things to charge things with, etc. So let's and there are individual kits in this bag, and I won't go through the kits. But if you want videos on the kits, let me know in the comments. Okay, let's go through. By the way, this is the nutsack bag, Central 13. I got it uh, when I got the first stimulus check, and I knew I would need something to that I could use with the power chair. So one of the first things, some JN fidget wood, uh, perfect size for to stay in the bag in case uh, I do forget to put things in my pockets. This supplements things I would put in my pockets, like a fidget item. So we got a fidget thing, essential to Uncle Cow's life nowadays. Uh, Business card holders. Uh, I do have business cards for the channel. Uh, I hand them out to people who are interested. Um, Knife. This is a non-district poker. I have not been able to figure out the model of this, uh, but it's light. It fits in the bag. It works out perfectly. I've got a pen and a flashlight. This is the Olight TI3, I believe. During one of their flash sales, I jumped on this thing. A pen and a jeweler's loop magnifier. My dad used one of these in his profession. He worked in printing, and sometimes he would have to look at things real close. And as a boy, I was always fascinated with the one he carried. So as an adult, I figured, why not carry one too? Yeah, at least in my bag, and that's how he carried his. And the last thing in the zipper pouch is a foldable comb. Um, can't remember who made these. He was on YouTube. I don't think he's on YouTube anymore. Well, and then we go into the um, main compartment. Uh, Most of this is compartmentalized, as I said, but we'll go over it. Now, Uncle Cow, why don't you use a backpack? Well, backpacks don't work on the power chair, and I go out 99.99% of the time in the power chair. And even if I could get um, a backpack for the power chair, that that cost those cost way more than the Satchel 13 did, and the backpacks wouldn't have coupon codes, which is part of what helped me get this. So, rigging kit, uh, various lengths of paracord, a knotless rope tie, Mini grappling hook. Yes, I keep a mini grappling hook in here. Um, uh, I'll see if I can link the video. Why? If you want a separate video on this, let me know. In the little one of the little pockets here is like a cleanup kit. Uh, you know, in case something spills on me or whatnot, I need to clean things up. Self care kit. Uh, Tide pens. I keep like 3 in here. Spill something on my pants. Get the stain out. I'm good to go. Wet, wet towels in case the napkin just doesn't cut it. You know. Um, these are nail clippers that are good for people with hand issues. They're on uh, Amazon, but I can't remember the brand name. But I have 2 pair. I keep one at my desk and one in my bag in case I need to trim my nails when I'm out and about. Uh, CRKT Eaton tool. I think this is the original model. Just keep it in here in case I need a eating utensil. You know, someone forgets to give me them, or someone wants to give me food without a utensil and go, ha ha. Well, hey, I got one. You know. Again, this bag only really goes with me on long days, uh, longer trips, you know, things like that. Some big red gum, you know, and that's it for that pocket, I think. Yeah. Um, Toolkit. You can take a look at that and guess what's in there. Again, if you want a separate video on the toolkit, let me know. Um, should help me do most of the things I'd need to do, but you know, you can only carry so much. But toolkit, I can pretty much take anything apart I want. And then in the very back, there is room for my iPad in here if I if I want to carry it. I don't always uh, need to have my iPad, but it is nice to be able to. Um, Electronics kit, USB chargers uh, for my phone and iPad if I need, um, and various headphone jacks, etc. In this zipper pouch. Thanks to Big Red EC and CC Bolster Blades for this one. Uh, Battery pack. Uh, this is one solar charging. This will charge both my iPad and iPhone if I need it. And there's a there's an emergency light on here. This not my primary flashlight, but it's there if I need it. An extra bag in case I don't have room in here for whatever else I need to carry. I got this idea from Tom from Notorious CDC. It's to carry an empty bag in your EDC bag in case you need to carry something else. So, extra bag. I do keep my self defense tool in here. This is a uh, Snaggletooth by. They also make pepper spray. I can't remember. I can't remember the name. Uh, but it's kind of like a karambit. Got the hole here. I'm gonna do this without cutting myself. But it looks like that when the blade's out. But I can um use this with the blade closed as a striking tool with this point here. So it's an impact karambit too. So this stays in the bag in case I feel like I need to arm myself quickly. And it's perfect for the bag since it can be a striking tool and a bladed um, tool as well. So that's the self defense um, aspect in the bag. Uncle Cal, why don't you carry pepper spray? I've shared my thoughts on pepper spray. You know, um, I go back and forth on it. To me, it's too much of a risk for the user, so not really a fan of it, but it has its place. So guys, that's my EDC bag. Like I said, if you want um, individual videos on the kits I keep in here, let me know. If it's already 12 minutes and some odd seconds. If I went into the kits, it would be longer. So let me know. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Getting close to moving day, guys. Stay with me. This is part of the reason I went through this bag. So because the bag is coming with. So stay tuned. Stay safe, and like I would say, don't do anything I wouldn't do.